Hello everyone, welcome back to a new video. In this video I am going to show how to set homepage or how to change homepage in WordPress website. You can see this is the homepage which already I have assigned for my website. Now I want to change this homepage, so navigate to the admin dashboard and scroll down. Then you can see settings, hover over on it and click on reading. Very fast you can see your homepage displays and your latest post a static page. Already I have set my home page, that is why you can see a static page is selected, but sometimes you can see your latest post selected. In this case you have to select this option, a static page. Then this home page selection area will be visible and you can click on this arrow icon. Then drop down will be open and you can choose any page from here as your home page. So I want to change from 8 to home page 11, so select home 11 and save changes. Now visit the website. Yes, the home page has been changed. You can see it was the previous home page and current home page this is. Okay, you can see, just reload this page again. Yes, the home page has been changed. So thank you watching the video.